Hey, what's up everyone? So I'm going to be working on a 2009 BMW X5 E70 and I'm going to replace this power lift support motor that's on the right side of the tailgate. Let's get started. Okay, so before I start working on the tailgate part, since we're going to have to keep it up for quite some time, I don't want the battery to be draining. So I'm going to hook up a trickle charger while I'm working on the vehicle. First, hook up to the positive side, and second, place the negative. Hook up the negative to this ground stud here. And now, we'll just let it charge while we're working on the vehicle. So I have the tailgate already lifted up. However, it's a very heavy door, so be very careful. This is the only method I can think of at the moment right now to make sure that it's safe for me to work on the liftgate in the up position. So you can see I'm just using a wooden rod and also this step ladder just to kind of secure it in place. So as you can see, this lift support's broken in half, but the wiring is still intact, so that's a good thing. So I'm gonna have to fish this one out to put this new one in. So this is the part that I'm gonna use. This is the new one from FCP Euro. I purchased this. It's around $580. It does have a lifetime warranty on it, so I prefer buying something with a lifetime warranty since it's inexpensive. Okay, first I'm gonna remove these two trims on the side right here because they overlap this back piece and also this piece here. Be careful as you're trying. Make sure that you're not aggressively doing it, because you don't want that tailgate to fall on you. I'm now going to pry on this piece here. Now I'm going to remove this piece here. However, there's two screws here at the handles here, or the handle area. It's two screws Phillips, one here and one inside that cavity. The trim's already been removed, but I'm just going to put these trim pieces away just in case if something happens and the tailgate falls. I don't want nothing breaking. Okay, so this got an interesting little clip. Just pull it out and it should come out of its area. Okay, so let's remove this boot. It didn't take much. Okay, so we got the wire here coming. Okay, so we're gonna cut the wire here. So the wires are dangling here, but I want to show you. These are the plugs right here that we have to disconnect because these are for the power strut. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is install the power strut, the new one, and it should just click right in. There it goes, it's already in place. Now, I'm gonna let it hang here for a minute. I said I cut. Again, the power strip just right now locked in place on the top end, but it's still not in place up here. And the reason why is because this is a harness from the new power strut, and it comes with the zip tie here to help you fish the new harness through the cavity. Okay, so what I did, I taped up the zip tie that came from this new part, and I zip tied it to the harness I cut so I can pull on the plug side, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the part that I'm talking about here, and we're gonna fish it through. Just be patient, and you can see what we're doing here. Okay, so we're almost done with fishing the actual harness through, and we're done. We're good. So now I can install the actual new power strap. Okay, so now let's remove this Velcro strap. Let's slide this down. So we have access to the plugs. There we go. Now we're going to plug the new one back to its proper harness. Slide it in place. Okay. Now we have this other plug here. So we have to disconnect to this plug. And now we're done. Also, this new harness has a new clip. Place the clip back in its location on the body of the tailgate and you're good to go. So everything's already installed already. The power lift strut's already installed. The wires already went fished through the actual housing or the tailgate frame. And then now we have everything plugged up. Okay. Now this other plug, you can place it in here and its location keeps it in place. And we're done with the job. Okay, so the power lift support's already installed, wires are already fished in, everything's connected, and all the trims put back together. Now, let's see what happens. Alright, so I hope this video helped you out. Please share it, please subscribe, and also hit the like button. I really appreciate it. See ya.